Welcome to this quick demo video of MailConversio. MailConversio is an all-in-one email conversion booster suite that turns your email broadcast into a profit-pulling machine simply by using personalized videos, graphics, and interactive poll elements to drive more opens, more engagement, and far more conversions to all your email campaigns. Before going ahead to show you how easy and quickly it is to set things up, let me give you a quick rundown of some of the cool elements MailConversio allows you to embed within your broadcast super fast and super easy. MailConversio comes packed full with 21 profit-pulling elements, which are well proven to deliver on one goal, which is making your email marketing to be profitable again. First, we have social growth elements. With these, users can rapidly grow their social media accounts by showcasing their latest and most engaging posts easily within an email broadcast. You can send emails with Facebook Post Preview, Twitter Post Preview, Instagram Post Preview, TikTok Post Preview, LinkedIn Post Preview, Pinterest Post Review, Blog Post Review, etc. This helps users to redirect their email audience directly to the post by clicking on the preview from right inside the email. We also have interactive elements. With these, users can quickly insert interactive elements that will help them engage with their audience and get better feedback. Elements in this category includes feedback bars, forms and questionnaires, polls, votes and surveys, personalized footer signature, etc. And finally, we have profit-pulling conversion elements. These elements are well thought out and designed to make the email readers click through and take immediate action. For this category, we have countdown timers, call-to-action buttons, progress bars, personalized GIFs, YouTube video previews, Vimeo video previews, autoplay video with personalization. Each of these elements can be added to over 30 top autoresponders like GetResponse, MailChimp, ConvertKit, Aweber, etc. And you can easily integrate to email service providers like Yahoo Mail, Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail with point-and-click simplicity. And to cap it all off, MailConversio is super easy to use. Setting up a campaign takes less than 2 minutes. Alright, let's go ahead to see how to set up a personalized video as an example. Okay, so from the dashboard, hover on Tools over here and then click on Create Tool. So you can simply scroll through to choose the element you want to work with, but in this case, we're using personalized videos. In MailConversio, we have personalized video elements for YouTube and Vimeo, but we'll go with YouTube for the purpose of this demonstration. So I'll just click on Create Tool, then enter a campaign name. I'll insert my YouTube link right here. Immediately I do that, and you'll see a preview of what it's going to look like for your subscribers. Nice! Alright, let me show you how to make this even more powerful. You can fully personalize your video for each subscriber by enabling personalized text, giving each subscriber a more personalized experience. This makes your emails quite remarkable and can easily blow up your conversions beyond the roof. You can enable or disable the play button. Once enabled, you simply choose a theme from the variety you have here and also select the play button's position. And interestingly, you can add a redirect URL here. This is where your subscribers will be redirected to once they click on the element within the email. And finally, you can adjust text size and color and then click on Submit. So that's it. It's that quick and easy. Alright, let's go ahead now to embed it within an email broadcast. As you can see, we have two very simple ways to do this. You can either choose to use the general HTML code or simply copy the specific autoresponder code of your provider and paste directly into your broadcast HTML editor. We have over 30 autoresponders integrated in already. So I'll just copy the code for GetResponse and click on OK. Alright, let me head over to my GetResponse account and test this out quickly. I'm right here in GetResponse, so I'll just go ahead and create a newsletter. So I'll select HTML editor and paste the autoresponder code and then click to preview. Looking good, right? So I'll go ahead now to send a test email to myself so we can see how it will come out in your subscriber's inbox. Okay, I'm right here in my Gmail inbox, and yeah, it's looking pretty nice. As you can see, MailConversio is super easy to use, but yet packs some really awesome tools needed to change the narrative in your email marketing campaigns. With elements like the countdown timer, you can easily implement real scarcity and the FOMO effect that will drive your subscribers to take action immediately. Also, as you know, video is the future of online content. So imagine being able to easily personalize videos and call-to-action buttons right inside your email. This can easily 10 times your click-through rate, even in your first broadcast. With elements like the yes-no bar, emoji feedback, votes polls, and others, you can easily boost email engagement and segmentation. Imagine using the vote polls element and you ask a simple question: live call or recorded training? The feedback data can help you to both segment your list and know what kind of offer they'd be willing to buy. Social growth elements like Facebook Post Preview, Instagram and TikTok Preview can pull in incredible results if you're aiming to grow your social following, and it's an awesome engagement booster too. And just like you can personalize videos, you can also personalize GIFs too. Over here on the dashboard, you can click here to see a list of all your active campaigns. Click here to copy autoresponder code anytime you have a need for it. Here to view statistics like impressions and number of clicks. And here to archive the campaign. Also, MailConversio comes with some really premium and congruent bonuses, one of which is the Email Mastery Training course. This is a 7-module video training that teaches users how to dominate in email marketing, even if you're a newbie and you don't have a large list. So, with MailConversio, users get the tools and the training needed to fire up their email marketing results super fast and super easy. Alright, that's it. This is Ifyok Nix signing out. Thank you so much for watching.